Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tutorials by Naveen. Today we will learn how to use Python interpreter on our smartphone or the Android phone. So first of all, open Play Store and type in search PYDROID 2, Pydroid 2. I will be sharing the link of this software also in description, so you can check out the description to install this. So click on install and get the software, the application installed on your Android phone. After installation, you will get the application in the application list by the name Pydroid 2. So whenever you have to use this application, you have to go to Pydroid 2 and you will be able to use that application. As this is the first time installation on the Android phone, so it will ask few of the questions that you have to give proper responses according to your eligibility and need for what you are going to use this software. And according to that, it is going to give you, if you are the beginner, then it is going to give you the few help tips also and all those things. That's why it asks for such kind of queries. So give proper informations to this application and then it will be ready for writing the programs in it. So as you will be able to complete this task, you will be able to get the screen for writing the program. In that screen, even you will get the options for setting so that you can change the font size and font color and all those things. So you can see now our window is open where we can write the program. So I am writing the first and simple program, that is print welcome to Python programming, and after that we will save this program. So click on the top right corner symbol, you will get the option where you can select the folder, or if you want to create a new folder you can do that also. So I am creating here a new folder by the name Python programming, and then I will select this folder so that I can save my program here. So I will give the name to my program also as first program.py is compulsory to be used, and after that we will click on play button that is available there, and you can see we have got the output. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and comment on my channel.